Hi, my name is Melvin. I'm a creative director at NextOfKin Creatives, and we are a strategic design studio based in Singapore. Over the years, we have collaborated with a diverse range of clients, spanning industries, crafting innovative and meaningful design solutions. When it comes to furniture design, one challenge stands out. That is the significant material waste generated during production. As designers, we ask ourselves, what if we could change that? What if we could craft furniture that's both sustainable and full of character? Collaborating with Caracal, we explored the future of furniture through additive manufacturing, using only the material needed and reducing waste. By embracing modularity, we created adaptable, stackable pieces that will form our furnitures. Printed furniture can feel clinical, so we saw an opportunity to bring warmth back to the process. Through traditional weaving and binding pieces with leather ropes, we wanted to echo the characteristic layered textures from additive manufacturing. The result is a balance of modern efficiency and timeless craftsmanship, reshaping the future of furniture.